Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you about perimeter. Perimeter is derived from a combination of two words, peri and metron. Here peri means around and metron means measure. So perimeter is the sum of all sides of plane closed figure. Let us discuss how can we find perimeter of triangle. First we will know what is triangle. A triangle is three-sided closed polygon. Polygon is a figure which is made up of line segments and triangle is the smallest polygon. Now see children, here different kind of triangles are given, but the criteria to find perimeter is same. We just need to add all sides to find its perimeter. Let us take an example. Suppose this triangle is given to us and we have to find its perimeter. So the term used to find perimeter is P. We write P to denote perimeter. So perimeter of triangle is 3 cm plus 5 cm plus 4 cm. And this is equals to 12 centimeters. So in this way we can find perimeter of triangle. Now children, let us discuss about rectangle. A rectangle is four-sided closed polygon. It has four right angles. Angles are here. It has four right angles and four corners. These are corners. It has four corners. But in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. These two opposite sides are equal. And to find perimeter of rectangle, we add all sides. Let us take an example. Suppose we have to find perimeter of this rectangle. In this, we have given this side as 4 and this side is 3. You know children, in rectangle opposite sides are equal. If this is 4, it will be 4 also. And if this side is 3, this side will be 3 centimeter. So to find perimeter, we can find it by adding all sides, or we can write formula to find it. First we will add all sides. 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. It is equals to 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 4, 3, 14 centimeter. Or what we can do, because 4 is coming 2 times and 3 is coming 2 times, we can write 2 into 4 plus 3. This is equals to 2 into 4 plus 3 is 7, that is 14. So we can say perimeter of rectangle is 14. So the formula used to find perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. L is length, B is breadth. This is the formula. Now let us discuss how can we find perimeter of square. You know children, square is also having all four sides, but all four sides of square are equal. So to find perimeter, we will find sum of all sides and all sides are equal. So we can write, instead of adding side 4 times, we can multiply 4 into side. Let us take an example. We have to find perimeter of square whose side is 12 centimeters. So we will multiply 4 into side. 4 into 12. What is 12 fours? 12 fours is 48. So perimeter of this square is 48 centimeter. Now children, let us discuss. Suppose these type of figures come in your exam and you have to find its perimeter. They are not triangle or rectangle or square. In this case, you just need to find sum of all sides. You have to start from one point and reach back to the same point. Let us start from this point. We will find 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 2, 14 and 14 plus 8 is 22. So perimeter of this closed figure will be 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8. which is equals to 22 centimeter. Let us take one more example. In this figure, start from here. 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 6, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 8, 32. So, in this figure, we get perimeter as 32. So, we simply need to add all sides to find its perimeter, and we have to come back to same point. That's all for today's class, children. I hope this concept is clear to you.